Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. Workshop in March. If you are interested, contact our office and pay up the price before Jan 31st so that we keep the same old price. And after that, the fees will be increased. What a volatile market. And this market, two things are certain. Number one, it's going to be volatile until the budget day. Especially for the last 1 week, we don't know why market goes up by 200 point. We don't know why market comes down by 200 point. Again, we don't know why market goes up by 200 point. Yesterday, the last 1 hour Nifty shot up 200 point. Again, today morning, again Nifty shot up another 200 point. A 400 point rally, why nobody knows. Again, from intraday high to intraday low, Nifty fell exactly 190 points. And Nifty future touched, 24,300. It's about 80 points lower than yesterday's closing. And then again, don't know what happened. The market shot up. Today, some significant things. Number one, I've been telling you, people are expecting very good budget. There are all kinds of rumors going around. Some of them are genuine news. Number one, the previous last time ex-governor of Reserve Bank, Dr. Sundar has written an open letter to Nirmala Sitharaman. And then today there is some news, the whole-time director of SEBI, ex-director. So he has suggested something. Now we are coming to the situation where prominent people are actually talking very much against this taxation for stock markets. And also, we don't know, there were some rumors saying that, the Prime Minister's office is concerned about this FII fleeing India. So, looks like, PMO has instructed Finance Ministry to do something so that, this FII sentiment is reversed. So, I do not know how much Finance Minister will be receptive to all these ideas. Sometimes they need to know why it is happening. By default, by this time, they should have spoken to some top FIIs to know their concerns. And, so that is how proactively you take measures to have a healthy stock market. Look at US market yesterday all-time high. Today, South Korean market today all-time high. So many markets are all-time high every time. And then our market keeps going down or keep very, very volatile. Today, maybe people are taking, these things into their mind. So there was a significant buying. And today it is the large caps that has underperformed. The mid cap, small cap, the next 50, they're all higher by 2% something. So that's a significant rally. So today the broader market has done very, very well. That's number one. And second thing, I don't know why the volatility index has fallen more than 6% today ahead of the budget. The option premiums were too high, but now maybe, today there was some significant fall in some put prices. Another thing today, how much Nifty has gone, so that much Nifty future did not go up. So that may be because, yesterday the Nifty closing was taken as a weighted average closing. So Nifty was indicating but 50 points lower than the actual closing. Weighted average closing was about 50 points lower than the actual closing. And moreover, normally in the beginning of the month, the Nifty future premium should be around 150, 160 points, but this time it has come down to 120 points. So they are all the reasons why the future, because the options follow the futures price. So there was some fall in the option prices also. So today's takeaway, number one, broader markets have done exceedingly well. mid cap, small cap, next 50 all rallied like anything. The large cap maybe because of some stocks like Tata Consumer falling more than 4%, Asian Paints falling more than 4%. So, the rally is limited in large cap. And second thing, the volatility index has fallen more than 6%. So our market cannot keep going down while the global markets keep going higher. So while I'm talking to you now, also the US futures hit a fresh all-time high. So everybody is focusing now on the budget. And today evening, I came out with a strategy called reverse call calendar. One of the interesting strategies. People always ask for free, but when we give free, people are not interested. I will tell you when the people will be interested. When you give something free, people don't value it. So what people expect, okay, I must conduct a workshop. I must charge 1 lakh rupees fees. So everybody should pay 1 lakh rupees. Then I should make it free for you. Then only you will value the content. Because when other people are paying 1 lakh, that means there is a value. And then you should get it free. So that's what the people expect. When we make everything free, when we come and do openly, like today's video, I tell you, the view is one of the worst, I can tell you. Anyway, tomorrow and day after tomorrow, also, I am planning to come out with some strategies focused on the budget. So sometimes I don't care how many people watch, right? So, but I'm just giving you the mentality of the people, right? I'm sure today also FII should have sold because like if FIIs are not selling, what for Nifty has to fall 190 points from intraday high to intraday low. So as usual, domestic institutions would have bought, right, to pump the market. So the same old game, same old story, and that story is going to continue for another, today is for Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, 2 more days it's going to continue, and then Sunday we will have a big day, the D-Day. This time I can tell you, and I strongly believe that finance minister will do something good, and accordingly I'm taking a lot of positions. And many of you know, I even bought put options during the last parliament election, expecting a big crash. And Nifty, as expected, fell more than 9% at some point of time. So I made good profit. So they say me this time, I'm in fact buying a lot of call options, but not a naked call options like the strategies I showed it to you. Hope this time also I make a good profit, right? So instead of praying to the God, now we have to pray to Nirmala ji. So that is the situation right now. And I still believe, but sometimes you must understand that I have a right to be wrong. Few months before, when many people asked me about my opinion about the gold, I said the gold has peaked out. But after I said the gold prices has peaked out, and the gold price has shot up 10-15%. So sometimes we can go wrong also, but I'm just taking a calculated bet this time on the long side. So one of the strategies I've discussed today in today's video, and tomorrow and day after tomorrow, or Saturday also, or Sunday morning also. Because Sunday morning also, one can trade up to 12 o'clock. The important announcements in the budget will come only after 12. 11 o'clock they will start. Then 11 to 12 they will say, we have done this, we have done this, we have done this, Then the actual proposals will come only after 12. So wait for those exciting videos. Otherwise today, there is nothing. Everyday post market is the same thing, So there is nothing big. But look at MCX. The shares shot up 7% yesterday, and today another 7%. A 14% rally in the stock MCX. The next one you can keep watch is a BSE. So why BSE? MCX is a exchange. So like that BSE is also exchange. And in fact, now in BSE, the Sensex options volumes are hitting a new high almost on a week-on-week basis. And last Thursday, I think BSE had the highest turnover in options volume. So BSE results may come this month. Otherwise, I think just now the Larsen and Toubro result came. The result doesn't seem to be good. But anyway, all these index heavyweights have already fallen more than 10%. Reliance has fallen more than 10%. HDFC Bank 9%. ICICI Bank 8%. Larsen and Toubro more than 10%. ITC more than 20%. Like, we are in a situation, where as if there is no end to this world, but hope everything changes, everything makes a U-turn after the budget. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.